I don't know if I'm live in Facebook or what, but okay, today is, what is today? Today is 26th October 2024, 26th October, Saturday, 2024, and what I have here is, I can't remember, this is the AKA of a Sanyo M90 This is something I rebuilt recently. I posted all about it in Stereo to Go. You may not be able to see it so far away, but it's got batteries in it. This is a, oh golly, it doesn't have automatic stop, so that's been rewinding and sitting there for quite some time. But this is fully rewound my demonstration tape, which has dropouts and misrecorded things. This is a Sanyo M7750, okay? And anyway, then I have here, I have a Victor RC M90. Then I have a Conion C100FJ, that's a Japanese version. Then I have a JVC M90. And then I have a and then I have this thing here, which is a ProSonic PQR-9962, okay? And it, anyway, I made a video about it, I think yesterday or the day before, and it's fully working, but I have it, and this is a little GoPro Power Plus, a little 160 watt, or something like that. I just have it out here to prove that the power cord is good. Alright, so without further ado, I'm just going to turn, okay, the power switch is on, this is off, on, hit the power on this. So now,
special toll-free number for you to call right now. It's 1-800-413-7495.
that's the radio working, and that's just here, so
Dr. Pincus's vitamin.
hit that. So the power cord's good, right? So unplug the power cord. Okay. Right. Turn this off. Okay. And then, so this is what I'm going to put in the box. All right. Get rid of this. This is mine. I'm keeping that. All right. Now if I turn this on, it runs on batteries. All right. So, and of course, this is my demonstration tape, so if I throw this in here like this, right, hit that, hit play, and then put this, where is it? Now the tape, so there's the tape playing on batteries. Got that? Alright, so, but I'm not here to play this tape anymore, I'm here to package it up and sell it, so or ship it. So in the meantime, I want to play this on this machine, just for some background music. But I don't have a whole lot to say here. So that's something I repaired. Well, here, well, I'm thinking about it. I want to play this one, but not so much this one, but I just want to show you this one here works as well. And it's got batteries in it as well. So if we, see, it goes, that's all right. Yeah, anyway. So that one works. All right. So, okay, now I'm going to go back to playing this one in here. Okay, and then play. So now, let me get this out of the way. And now, this here. Get my batteries out. Okay. Here are my batteries. And then, here are my batteries these are battery tubes. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but they're just really thin plastic and they help hold the batteries in place. So, oh, I didn't think about that. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Normally I put the power cord inside the battery compartment, but I got these things here. So let's see if I can maybe fold this up inside here and get it to come inside the battery tube. Otherwise I'll just stick it in a box. I never thought about this, but will that fit in there? Yeah, it will. All right. Okay. So we'll just kind of, you saw that, right? Here's the battery cord, or the battery, the power cord inside the battery compartment, inside the battery tube. There's that. Great. So this has got, you know, both antennas. Anyway, so much for that. All right. So now we have a. I'll best illustrate this. Here's a box. Here's that box. Here's a shipping box. All right. So it's pretty good size, right? About the proper size for shipping something like this in. Okay. And then it's pretty wide, so it can be pretty well centered in there, right? Okay, so let me get that. Okay. And then, so what's next? So, okay, let's put the box over here for the time being, all right? And I've got a whole bunch of bubble wrap here that came out of the box from wherever, so firm believer in reusing plastic wrap whenever I can. So let's see here. Well, we didn't go and start this. Start our tape. Good enough. My goal is to get this packaged and shipped, or packaged and get to the post office by 3 o'clock today. So it's 1:25 right now. Oh no! Oh grief. I don't know how that happened, but okay. Now let's see, where is it? One can never use too much bubble wrap. Things like $15 a roll for 125 feet of this stuff. Bubble wrap's cheap, but you know, people just don't want to go out and buy it and package it and use it and all that. So now, just test dropping this in. Oh my God. Alright, well, I'm going to end this here because that's getting pretty well like that. I'll probably take the box out and put some more of this smaller stuff on the bottom, but it's kind of boring to watch me do that, I'm sure. But I'll just... Okay. And I just wanted to show you that's like that, right? Okay, so let's see here. Don't know what all y'all saw. This, what happened here? Oh. Okay, so I'll just anyway, this one looks like on the inside here. Okay. And I'll fill this in a little bit more in a few minutes here with the rest of the stuff that I have here, and but I'll be taking it out and putting it back in and so on and so forth. But I want to point out that this tape deck here, the JVC, last worked, here wait, turn this thing off. This JVC, for me, I've had it since before 2014, but it last worked in 2014. And since then I just haven't had a chance to repair it or anything like that. And so the radio works, cassette player does not, alright? The Conion C100FJ fully, completely works. Okay, and then the Victor RC M90, everything works but the cassette deck. That's all I want to say there. Because I don't know, I've never repaired it and so on and so forth, so that's all I know. And then of course, I'm going to make another video about this one here, because I have another one similar to it to unbox. And then I have somebody from India asked me about these. I have several of these, like 4 of them or so. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to stop this and get off of here. But I just want to show you, these are my largest. Now, somebody popped in and asked me how much. I'm not telling you how much, okay? You give me an offer. Alright? If I like your offer, because it'll be private between you and me, then maybe we'll go forward. But for the time being, I don't have a price on these just yet. Okay? Everything's complete. There's no knobs missing. There might be a scratch or two. This one's got a dirty speaker. I don't know why. That one's nice and pretty. This one's dirty. I don't know what happened here. Maybe someone spilled some Coke in there. I have no idea. Okay, I would play these things, but it just takes so much time to get everything out and all that, right? So, but in the meantime, I gotta finish because all this stuff takes time, all right? So, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I've got to go, all right? Good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. All right, and all right. well. Okay, well, I don't know what happened there. Okay, alright, so now, let me take this thing off the tripod here. This is, whatever camera this is the R50. I still have one more camera running, okay, so I was talking to the Facebook people and there's just an up-close view of everything, 18 minutes, okay. So, anyway, hope you saw me doing this. Alright, so I'll just take a picture, hopefully, like, I don't know this thing, okay, okay. Good day, bye-bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, I gotta go. Oh, okay. So now, okay, I'll turn that off. And then, let me get this camera here. This is the oldest camera since 2011 that I've had. This is the M41 camera, alright, so, okay. Anyway, you've heard me say this a couple times, anyway. Good day, bye-bye, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. I gotta finish packaging this thing up here and put all these radios away. Alright, thanks for watching, good day, bye-bye, gotta go.